I trained ChatGPT to write me $1,000 cold emails, and this is exactly how I did it. And I'm going to show you the exact steps I took to actually do this myself. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to assume that you already have a niche, you already have an industry that you work in, and you already have some sort of product that you can sell. If that's the case, then usually the next biggest problem you come to is, how do I actually take my service offering and pitch it as a cold email to potential customers? How do I actually get them to open the email, and how do I actually keep them engaged? For the purpose of this video, we're actually going to cold pitch my LinkedIn lead generation program, which is priced at $97, which teaches different businesses how to get leads from LinkedIn. The first thing we need to deal with is, how do we actually get people to open the email? Well, we need to have a compelling subject line. So to get ChatGPT to actually create a subject line around this, we actually need to give it the context of what it needs to know, what's it selling and all that good stuff. So I've written into ChatGPT, I'm selling a video course program which teaches small business owners how to get leads from LinkedIn. The program is called LinkedIn Mastery. I want to cold email small business owners offering them my program. Create me a variety of email subject lines about this. Now you can see what ChatGPT has actually created here is some subject lines, but they're a little bit spammy. Unlock the power of LinkedIn for your small business. The problem is with these subject lines, they don't pass the first test of getting a business owner to open their email. And the reason why is because they look super salesy. Let's see if ChatGPT can actually do something about this. Rewrite these subject lines and make them a little bit less salesy, but also add curiosity. Discover the surprising benefits of LinkedIn for small business owners. What if you could easily get more leads from LinkedIn? Unlock the secret to successful lead generation. They're getting a little bit more there, but they're not quite there. The reason why is they're a little bit long, and also they've added a few too many complicated words in there. Did you actually know the average reading comprehension of the general population in England is about 8 years old? Yes, I was surprised as well. I always knew things had to be simple, but I didn't realize it was that low. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make them slightly shorter and to also make them more readable as well. Make these headlines a maximum of 8 words and also use simpler language. We've got LinkedIn boosts your small biz growth, get more leads from LinkedIn, master LinkedIn lead generation, maximize your LinkedIn presence. The one I really like is easily get more LinkedIn leads. It describes exactly what the email is going to be about. It uses simple language and it doesn't sound too salesy either. It sounds like I'm going to offer them value, which I am going to in the email. I choose this email title, easily get more LinkedIn leads. Now write me an email based on this, which is offering my LinkedIn program with a single call to action linked. Now we can see what it's produced here. It's a little bit too long. I hope this email finds you well. I came across your business and noticed that you are a small business owner, just like many others in today's competitive market. Sounds very general as well. At the start of an email pitch, I wouldn't write, I hope this email finds you well, because it sounds like we're trying to badly disguise an email pitch by putting things like, I hope this email finds you well. Realistically, we wouldn't ever do something like that when I'm trying to pitch someone. As soon as a person clicks this email, if they click it at all, they're going to think to themselves, you know what, this is an email pitch. I'm not sure if I want to read it. And if they see all these like false and fake niceties in there, it's going to put them off even more. What we really want is something that's straight to the point, concise, and a little bit punchy as well. Make this email more punchy whilst keeping the same subject line. So now it's come up with, tired of struggling to generate leads on LinkedIn, want to take your business to the next level? We've got you covered. Our LinkedIn Mastery program is designed specifically for small business owners like yourself with our expert guidance. You'll learn how to, and then it lists off a bunch of things. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to more leads. Join our program by clicking here. We can see it's a lot better. It's still not quite there though. We want to make sure we're mitigating the risk for people as well, lowering the downside. I'm going to offer a guarantee in there. Also, I want to make it very clear what the benefit is to the business owner in the first sentence. The reason why is, if a person clicks an email, they happen to click it in this busy world we're in, then the next goal is to try and hook them in past the first few lines. So we want to try and do that, and we have to do that by actually spelling out what the benefit is to them of the program. Even though it might be obvious to me and you who are both in marketing, both in sales, kind of understand the process a little bit, it might not be actually obvious to every person this goes to. So let's make those changes now. So I've written, include a more specific benefit of joining the program instead of want to take your business to the next level. And I've also include a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee at the end. So now we've got want to skyrocket your lead generation and grow your small business. Our LinkedIn Mastery program can help you achieve just that. Our proven strategies will help you optimize your profile for maximum visibility, create content that resonates with your target audience, build relationships with potential clients on LinkedIn. You'll see results in just a few short weeks. We're so confident in the program that we offer a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. Ready to take your business to the next level? Join our LinkedIn Mastery program now by clicking here. So this is a lot better than what it initially started, and it's actually a lot better than what most companies and businesses, believe it or not, send out on a daily basis. But you have to know the prompts to actually put in, and you do have to know a little bit about what you're talking about to make sure that you can ask the right things and then tailor things and then chop and change here and there. So AI isn't quite ready to take over just yet. It still needs the person who understands how to drive the vehicle to actually drive the vehicle. But other than that, it can write things in a pretty good manner. If I was going to send this out, I'd make a few tweaks to it beforehand, some things that ChatGPT wouldn't be able to do. I'd maybe include a few client testimonials. And also as well, I would tailor exactly what type of small business I'm aiming at. So saying small business in general is a bit too general, to be honest with you. And when you appeal to everyone, you end up appealing to no one. So what I would say is like get so specific on who you're actually targeting. So if you think about it, what actually sounds a lot better? Want to skyrocket your lead generation and grow your small business? Or want to skyrocket your lead generation and grow your coaching business if you were just a coach, just as an example? Well, the latter sounds a lot better. The reason why is it actually sounds like I'm talking to you. Now, I've actually created a very similar email to this in the past myself. I sent it to 130 people and I made $2,000 off it. So feel free to actually take that template and use it yourself. The difference is when I made $2,000 is I sent it to a list of people who'd opted into my list, and it was about 130 people. I emailed them something similar to that and it worked. So it was highly targeted, warmer people. But if you send this to enough cold people, you're most likely going to get a result as well. So that one is completely up to you if you want to actually steal that and try it out yourself. I think I actually might try it out myself and report back the results in a different video. So hopefully you got something out of this video, whether it's how to properly email market or how to use ChatGPT to actually make some money. If you did enjoy this and you did get something out of it, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel below, and maybe a follow up just to see how this actually works in the future. Take care, see you later.